Welcome back, drinks fans. I am Steve the Barman, and I try to give you drinks and cocktail inspiration to help you make better drinks at home. In today's video, it's the second of my chocolate series featuring Mozart. The first one was the dark chocolate. Now we are going for the white chocolate and vanilla. This is an exceptional, I love this liqueur. A big fan of this. The recipe that I'm rocking out, I tried and tested, but I'm going back 12, nearly 13, 14 years ago, back to the days when I used to run one of the college bars in Cambridge University. The third cocktail was the absolute banger, and it was up there with the Porn Star Martini, with the big sellers. To be fair, the second one was pretty popular as well. This is a lovely really kind of white chocolate, but big vanilla notes come through to it. It's only, where is it? I've lost it. 15% ABV, but it does taste like it's got a bit of a kick to it. But as I say, this has been around for donkey's years. So before we get started, housekeeping, there will be chapters below so you can scrub through to your favourite cocktail. You don't have to listen to me waffle on for 15 minutes or so. But as always, if you do like my content, if you like me, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. That'll help me by letting YouTube know that you love it, so it spreads the content out further to help me grow this channel. So let's dive in. The first cocktail, the cocktails I'm going to make, actually I'm going to leave it as a surprise for you, for those of you that are watching. But the first one that I'm going to make is kind of a white chocolate Pina Colada. You can blend it. I'm going to shake it. I'm going to carry on sipping this though, because this is good. It's like boozy milky bar. Absolutely lovely. Right. Ingredient number one, I'm going for some white rum. I'm going double bubble of my white rum here. You could break this down if you wanted to go coconut rum as well, because obviously Pina Colada, we're going to have a bit of coconut in here as well. As I say, it's completely up to you. I'm going 50 ml. You could do 25 this and 25 coconut rum, whatever floats your boat. But 50 ml of a decent white rum. There we go. Right, ingredient number two, I'm going to wash, I need to wash the, I always forget about this. Where's my coconut? I need to kind of wash my puree out of my jigger. So, let's do that. 25 ml, I'm actually going for this. There we go. 25 ml of coconut puree. Could use some coconut cream, coconut milk, whatever you fancy, just something thickish and coconut flavoured. There we go, that's what you want. Perfecto. Right. Next ingredient, now we're going for this. 25 ml of your Mozart White Chocolate Liqueur. White chocolate and vanilla, 25. And then the final ingredient, this is really simple, this one. Final ingredient is just some pressed pineapple juice. Just try and get pressed. It will taste so much better than concentrate. 50 ml double bubble. There we go. Lovely. Right, you can add a pinch of salt to this if you like. I do quite like adding like a little pinch of salt to my pina coladas. It does kind of balance out the sort of sweetness, and salt goes really well with coconut. But for this, I'm not going to bother. So ice this up, and then we're going to shake this down for a good 10, 12 seconds or so. Really get it. You can blend it, as I said, if you wanted to, but I'm just going to shake this. Right, there we go. Lovely, jubbly. Right, I'm going to put fresh ice in here. There we go. And then just single strain. Magicals. Perfect. There we go. Lovely, jubbly. Is that all out? It's still coming. There it is. Top out with a little bit of crushed ice. There we go. And then I've got one ready. Little wedge of pineapple. And now I think we need to give it a bit of colour, don't we? Where's my little spoon? There it is. A little bit of colour. I'm going for a maraschino cherry just on top. That is my white chocolate sort of pina colada. Oh, this is delicious. Absolutely delicious. You can't get away from that. That is just fun. You do get a healthy vanilla come through. You get the white chocolate in there, white chocolate and coconut. We know that works really well. So that's my first one. I say, tried and tested. Probably the least popular out of the three when I go back to the student bar days. But honestly, amazing. Right, let's put it over there. Finished. Cocktail number 2. This is a shorter one. And this is my raspberry and white chocolate shortcake, I called it. I don't know why I called it shortcake instead of cheesecake, but it just sounded better. This one is lovely. Ingredient number 1, I'm going spiced rum. Now, back in the day, this was a big Sailor Jerry cocktail for me, the original Sailor Jerry, not the new horrible one, new one since 2010. I haven't got any Old J here, which will be a direct sort of replacement. So instead I'm going Dead Man's Fingers, nice vanilla forward spiced rum, 35ml of that. There we go. Right, so that's the first ingredient. The second ingredient, I'm going for some Disaronno, your favourite amaretto. Just 15ml of amaretto. There we go, 1.5. Ingredient number 3. Now, back in the day, I did used to use a Bowls raspberry, but now I've got a really posh, nice Giffard. It's actually Tayberry, but you know, that'll do for raspberry. It's lovely. And again, 15ml of this. Lovely jubbly. So we've got raspberry, almonds, the spiced rum. We're going now 25ml of this. 25, perfect. There we go. That is that. We are going to shake that down, but I've just literally remembered it does need cream, and I've got it here. 25ml of cream as well. Forgot about that. It's because I don't use cream that often. There we go. 25ml of cream. Perfect. Right. There we go. Ice this up, as I say. And then good old shaky, shaky. There we go. Right, proper, hard, fast welly again. Get this all shaken up. Right, there we go. Oh, I haven't made this for so many years. Oh, it's going to be good. It's going to be good. Shake and dump. You could do fresh ice. I'm just going to shake and dump in this one. Perfecto. Now, here's the garnish for this. Going old school. I forgot the label. There it is. It's not quite the Lotus biscuits, but this, I've got some chopped up sort of biscotti. Where's my spoon? And I'm just going to kind of garnish it. Can we get that on a close-up? Just some muddled down biscotti. And this is just lovely, just on top. Just sprinkle it on top. There we go. Perfect. Oh, I love those things. It's the whole reason I have coffee. Right, and there we go. That's my raspberry shortcake, raspberry and white chocolate shortcake. That's as good as I remember. Oh, that's so good. Love that. Right, but the best of the bunch is definitely coming now. And this is, I've got carpet down here now. It's all racking up, but it's nice on the feet though. The third cocktail coming up, we are going for, let's go, which glass should we go for? There we go, it deserves to go in this one. This, I affectionately called it Solero because I also used to sell a lot of the Solero ice creams, and this kind of mimicked the flavour of a Solero ice cream to a tea. It was like a boozy Solero, so this is absolutely delicious. So again, another shaken cocktail. So ingredient number 1, I'm going for some passion fruit puree. It's a couple of different kind of ingredients coming here to what I used to use, but should be the same. So 15ml of passion fruit puree going in there. Lovely. Right, ingredient number 2. So the passion fruit puree would have been funkin' back in the day if I've got some, yeah, so it would have been funkin', so less sweet, so I'm balancing it out a little bit. Ingredient number 2 is JJ Whitley's peach and apricot vodka. And I just think it's going to be a fun twist. I used to just use plain vodka. So 35ml of this. Perfect. There we go. Ingredient number 3 is Pessoa. course, we were going through tons of Pessoa for porn style martinis, but we needed another cocktail, and this was it. So 15 ml of Pessoa. There we go. Lovely jubbly. And then we're going 25 ml of our white chocolate liqueur. So 25 ml of this, and then we are going cream again in this one. Not going to forget the cream this time. Here we go. Right. 25 ml of cream. Lovely jubbly. Right. Look at the colour. That will be amazing. And then the garnish for this as well. So just going to ice this down. Lovely jubbly. Don't forget, if you're liking these videos, if you're liking these recipes, give out a big old thumbs up. And if I haven't mentioned, I can't remember now, but all the recipes are below in this description as well, so go and check that out. Right, there we go. Lovely jubbly. I'm going to double strain this into my martini glass, coupe glass, whatever you fancy. Lovely. Perfect, right. This is only single cream as well. It might need to be a little bit thicker cream. But we shall see. We shall see. Then the garnish, just need to chop this down. A little bit messy. Come on. There we go. And just, oh, lost the knife, but there we go. Then we're just going to do the pulp of a passion fruit just to sit on top. Yeah, no, it needs to be slightly thicker cream. But that should just nicely sit on top there if you've got thicker cream. But there we go. That is my Solero that we used to sell tons of back in the day. It does. It just, if you've never had a Solero ice cream, try and find, I'm assuming they still make them. It's like vanilla, it's like ice cream in the middle, but then it's like passion fruit and chocolate and all that around the outside. Oh, it's absolutely delicious. This, it just tastes identical. So there we have it. Solero, raspberry shortcake, whatever you want to call it. And then my chocolate, white chocolate, Pina Colada. Stunning drinks. Absolutely love that. Don't forget, give us a big thumbs up. If you like me, if you like the channel, if you love what I'm doing, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my future content. And I will see you in the very next video.